the Minister for Foreign Affairs, okudzeto ablakwa. Ene ne ho aba asem. Asem ben ena aba. Asem aba nyina se nche bia 3 days ago. Ene te se America mampanyini eye Donald Trump. Abo wuram of Venezuela akwakoche the president of Venezuela edene call America so kudina sem adentia ose papa no eye no bone nsem eboa emayedi no bone efri Venezuela ne Colombia ede bewura America maimu enamo esoma Donald Trump akwakoche the sitting president of Venezuela atuna firi kronum edene call America ekudina sem na wei ena okudzeto ablakwa ai akokwa minim bibia ntro ne nkontompo edi America kitikiti na odi lete bia beto abonten a lete no de wo mu nyina ne se ono okudzeto ablakwa no in the name of the Republic of Ghana odi warning Emma Donald Trump say the oyo no ense emfata na we ena international what we call consultant F00lish Arahab ababonten say hey what them call okudzeto ablakwa oyare ana wabodam wadwene nya adwuma ana. How dare you to go and say what you are saying to a country your friend America omo de omo pe and omo ye no wiase na nsem no wakakra because kwan ya yenwia no fa so kyerɛkyerɛ mu no ɔde firi akyiri e na kyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛma bibia beto di te meso so de nyanto wase na yenyina yenkore nkonkotie video no na tie nsem a ɛwom no ɛne nsem a this international consultant eka ede kyerɛ sabio okudzeto ablakwa yewi ana yasan aba miwia George Frimpong me akwa ye pa yenko na yenkotie video no emra sisia kai se on do nsa besi adoma so na wa subscribe to this channel said the beya e video tuma won so no ubenya bi ahwe yenko emra sisia miwia kwaku mensa me akwa baba tie video na ansa mecho se subscribe na fa nsa si adoma no so se wunya emfa wonsa ensi so asere beya me the video tum ana me ba live for ubeya one of the first people ubewusema ba na on the abeche dwumade na di na ansa beko enim de ncha kese ma menwa Woodson asamani sa anso na me ma me Vivian Kuma menwa kwaku mensa na George Frimpong wunyina me ma mo afinhia pa eye me de eye manika se asan ahia ha biem yenkoe ne nkotie nsema F00lish Wahab ede tudwa concerning nsema okudzeto ablakwa etwereye ede come the Republic of America the emrasisia.
Okay. I think share America nearly 25 minutes of why America is in Venezuela. Ghana position Minnesota can your statement briefly. This is the position that we have to take as a sovereign country. What's your view on that?
Well, I belong to diplomacy.
Okay.
And I'm very much knowledgeable in diplomacy.
Mm-hmm.
I strongly say Ghana rushed too much.
We rushed. The statement was rushed.
We rushed.
Your repercussions be?
Yet to be known.
But we rushed.
We rushed.
Why?
Look, we have been pro-democracy, pro-independent. Our stand has not changed. Everybody knows. Pro-independence, pro-democracy. Against invasion. And then also Ghana a signatory to the UN Article 40, 940 protocols, etc. Ghana has defended and supported a lot of countries in their stand against imperialism and all those kind of things. That is true. But you look at the dynamics of events and how the other countries are responding. America, or say, why a unilateral decision? And Obama, why a wild? Or call Iraq, or catch Europeans, even the British, or catch the Italians, or catch the Spaniards, or catch the Germans, or say either you are with us or you are not part of us.
Okay.
And they were able to whip up the NATO to follow them, even against their wish.
Yes.
The story was not different from when they were going to Afghanistan. They forced them to move with them, and they did. Was the story different from America? I'm talking about Afghanistan.
Okay.
When America, together with the NATO, together with their friend is saying Europe. They went to Gaddafi. They went to Libya to take down Gaddafi, subsequently killing him. The Battle of the Seers. Ghana near stand to Wahimfa. Only African colony, only African country. Only at that time, only provided today AU chair, AU building in a Gaddafi sponsor more. Gaddafi was a pivotal role of the new AU, transforming from OAU to AU with President Kufuor, Thabo Mbeki, your friend say Obasanjo, and all that. Festus Mogae and all that. Gaddafi was the one who put in money for that operation.
Okay.
When Gaddafi was on the edge being killed, what was the stand of
Ghana? They kind.
What did we say?
Until Nediani rushed.
What did we say? The only country, the only person that went there was Joko Zuma of South Africa. And whilst even he was there, he needed support from the African Union. Said, gather up, let us all come and support our brother. They waited until the United States and other countries warned Joko Zuma, said, when free Krumha, they can protect his interest. In free airspace of Libya. Zuma flight, SAT and a normal attack, Echo Bombo, Libya, Tripoli airport, XA, flights almost about 87 aircraft at the same time.
Wow.
What did Ghana say at that time? What was the protest? What do I Africa? Media say, America, Ghana, you can't stand anywhere in America.
We can't cry.
You cannot stand anywhere in America. Upe na what you sir.
Hey.
And co create a problem. Listen. Papa I in a list. Odo beka say we try 5 years visa. We try 5 years visa. Obi abeko we a president kwa na ko ba sa kodi live so. Ana mo informer yen no anim e kwan ya ba ya. Me pacho wo fine no fine. And Uncle Foyer, the Esaberry Institute, because our man mentioned them, but then we made a letter of some statements via a be officials be my and I'm American for trigger that anger and no mutuemu. Or no, I coca copacho and I say a chop a biacoso and no mabeka. Now on one yasem, or no coach Venezuela, United Kingdom on Casa on condemn ye, France on condemn ye. Russia cry were cautious.
Yeah.
China were Security Council members superpower.
On Kasai. Now Ghana keti.
Yet, now we are just about a month ago. Wasako far countries, woman no more visa restrictions. So wasabe heightened visa restrictions to a visa ban. Country been saying Sierra Leone. Papa Sierra Leone, why America day? Only any problem. And your rebel. Omni bianco de nabeka home. Ususu Chrono, I listen. The bigger hub of nationals were outside, predominantly American no more, followed by the UK, followed by Canada, and then Germany and other parts of the world.
Right.
Now, I want to busuya for visit to Omunuamo. I want to busuya for call. I want no me Papa. Oh, Pepana watch Reno. President Trump on Kai. The State Department, they will even ignore. But if they are to stick to the church, and it was this and it was that. Busaon say Holland Kaden. Busaon say Japan Wakaden. Busaon say South Africa Wakaden. You can condemn the word the diplomatic will let peace prevail. Maybe you condemn the actions of United States. And there a diplomatic language you can papa obia can be. But if you read through, so if that was the statement Ghana issued out there, maybe I say, is that the only country in this in the African continent? Yeah, what that kind of a stand? The government of Ghana issued that. Of course, it was uttered or directed by the president, uttered by maybe foreign ministry.
Yes.
Then I'll say, the foreign ministry, the sentences diplomatically, the statement diplomatically to me was too long.
Okay.
It matters like this. So United States has stepped gas. What do you mean? 550 aircraft at their good camp. We're taking the sea. We're coding off 48 hours before this operation. Now America captured the airspace.
Venezuela,
not the ground, the airspace.
Airspace, you know.
And we're warning every flight out from the territorial zone of that time.
And plane to mean to
plane to a mark that area. Aircraft, no passenger, no commercial jet. no private jet. You don't go in there. The coding of the air first. For fear, say, Russia, China, no be back to their aid. And nobody can hear. We are no coding of the sea. And they know my coding crab 3 months. Almost count to sea no so that.
Yeah.
Obama what yes. Now we are no. And sana obey there, obekogramina me one almost ground where 3 months.
That's a special operation on my yacht.
Papa, Omo Kochi Noriga operation just cause nefe. From military point of view, no, operation ya na ya kono.
Yeah.
Sir, you look at the intelligence that goes into it, and then you look at the battle itself. Now, what the 150 aircraft etimaba, where the kai ashate dom radar control no, America for take you over. What do I say?
I see.
And to are taking radar space now. Like I said, no radar control unit ne Caracas airport no. Won't mean issue instructions on any aircraft say omra.
Okay.
Any aircraft be an American for at that time because pure. Why ready for war? Why ready for war? No grant area. I think no call what is called firefight into the presidency. That time no the satellite image of Maduro baby or that baby or number. They were looking up, so they go into a battlefield and one U.S. army neho anti. Ebinom de call Obama.
That's what my prepared.
Papa dey asem na okay because one of the Apache gunfire no be see from gunships no be see from no. When in precision, when in baby awoko, when in baby akwanite, when in baby and security, ne guides war Cuba for a guide no. Any other winning baby omo.
Okay.
And to the car disable omo crowded that. And son of my fire. Ne fire and soon will be the atrocity.
Okay.
Obianti me kind busa American force individuals, ordinary citizens, Sena American Fukumo. On say once my mind.
This operation ya.
Obianka.
Obiameka nipa mu we.
Ombetima kwayes hadie no pa hwe fire erupt airspace any the buildings any area na umkoche no no and to be pa catch them say citizen biamu but new of course o could protect or say it will be safe it will be smart it will be quick odika warn no in November and no warn in December
o man fa anya adwuma
so obema ni Christmas present
okay
na very sharp said do catch Nigeria etinibu no obema ni Christmas present papa hwe kwan o mu fa so ekoyi no Edino, Omi no man for answer flight in Manco. Keep on bear 1 hour. Oh, Krunimu. Papa 1 hour near then. Chilababia, I dare know.
I dare way.
Go to no way. Safe no way. Again, why probity and accountability one no young no crumo.
Aye.
Yes, what baby, you know. What say waha near Kosha or Hansana?
Yeah, the wako.
We say we waha. What I say? Or chain no. On any young quan here no. But Maduro's government, so accuse you Maduro, say or no the air trafficking. Can you not accuse his interior minister?
Honestly, a part of government.
Can you not interior part? Can you accuse his defense minister? Can you leave his defense minister out?
Not at all.
Why the guy the ocean? I'm near Manoko. Why the guy the interior? Say Yanchi woman. Is that not the police? Is that not the minister of interior? So far the list. Yanchi Ubia in the Maduro's government, accused by America. Initially, you accuse the government, headed by the president. What up is the wife a member of the government? Answer is no, but Yachi Obano. And what about the ministers and the government Yanchi Ubia? And the Ajuma di Maduro. Na Ajuma ko di Maduro. Ghana wa woto chain. Unua oho, oba oho, ye nyina ye kɔ, echina ye mam oho, unua bako. Papa, American no, o die no, o twene no, o ko jutun echire no. Wan ko pe we alpewe. Na no ani say Obama, the amoye as international community and they all allow we are allowed.
Yes.
Deliver speech, deliver statement. O pa se tonka. Na Zimbabwe nkasa Ethiopia nkasa African Union na mu grant me issue.
Na Ghana kasa.
African Union. Now the kwasha ECOWAS achi. Na ECOWAS condemn with that speech. Also so your founding member and to bet me ECOWAS akasa. Say enti don't speak as Ghana, speak as ECOWAS.
Okay.
Speak as African Union. Speak as just international community which you are part.
Okay.
But descriptively, say the ye speech, you know. Me pamcho the foreign ministry, me pamcho Ghana government. America on your government ye dini diagro.
Okay.
Much as sebi ye bit makasa ye sovereign nation with sovereignty rights, etc. Ebi abeka si ensuro bia, be papa, boka si ensuro bia obwa.
Yesro.
America usuro.
Ministry.
Ola pass kwa one mouse kwa mama onye.
Onye.
Into decide this Ghana kwa la pass kwa no $500 million compact you know the man oba be tutu no kwa America obeti ma abeje kwa no nti e ba na se ye keka bibia me pacho Ministry of Foreign Affairs mun tone down. It is good to condemn on the basis of the international language community of the world we are part. Diplomatic language must be measured to some extent, not to harm and to hurt. Say no many abromokon. But the moment Uncle no better the moment Obama Uncle better say, Omo be analyze speeches, any events, any countries are atutu bi amanu o. Am I come yo?
Ombe pick Ghana.
That's a fe nombe. Say Germany intimi condemn ye.
Now yeah.
Holland condemn ye. Belgium on condemn ye. They are being cautious because America call Afghanistan. A certain countries, Germany, or decided say it's unjustified. Don't call America. Say okay, don't call the ultimate answer. Either you are with us or you are not part of us. Meaning say China sembeto. Into umka say ebeko humanitarian. Holland or call humanitarian. Spain or call humanitarian.
Wako.
Beto humanitarian. On tutu
ni bi.
Or chenro. Or chenuane. Nemom countries nom decided say there voluntary betutu ni tell or tutu. Spain or tutu. France the one farmer ko beto. British one farmer no beto to support America because dom nom neko. China ko one tutu. Russia no. Because ni Afghanistan nya beef. Ni beef no nya Western world na man in Afghanistan nya beef 14 who free Russia Federation. And Russia and I say okay or no fine or international community but or no obema ni border.
The old can in America for which mafia ye.
Obetima mafia big time if they interpret, analyze and do due diligence of our speech. And if indeed that speech was uttered, written,
it was
edited, and it's official speech that some of us read, I would say it was overpumped.
Okay.
And then the speech overheated the argument of Ghana vis-a-vis America. We don't do that. We don't do that. People must measure the diplomatic language that we issue. When America, Saudi will catch a British on Fahun, Utuma Germany on Fahun, Utuma Holland on Fahun, Utuma China is just nothing. But when you write such a thing and you really power such language to America, telling them off, because Omedi come here one in B and chair, say American senator. Committee chairman responsible for a State Department, foreign minister say, Uncle Nonko can chair the government. Say Uncle Chia American company sky on Ghana do muka. More Mohammed Chum say, and no time I list in the Bible, more mature what to do. And no idea Chia normally chose to say, much 5 years visa, over story.
Yes.
And the JJ Yamir part of America for the pair because say. West Africa High Command, any Accra embassy in cantonments, and Higher Command, anything here Bibia. Now, Omani Edia chair because the whole West Africa, 15 countries, and all the sessions, embassies in I had no Higher Command.
Okay.
And President Kufuor played a very key role, say, Assassino. Eda saw the Chewomo, and I say, or the Toma Umukrana, Ubin Timinche. But they have and they sit on the bigger acreage of the embassy. In Hanu place. Baby, so President Kwaba, Utimura baby, Utimisha baby, that Timisha baby Pico. In Hanu here on Monte, your country be on payasem. And Tina Bibia no Ashaha, the prisoner crying and no Dika no Abeka. Ya no man near maybe or ha, intimi ma out, and near my boy intiminka, you know me undergrounds be, but for post independent Bepiminano. Only ye developing partner. And they sponsor our military budget. Condemn them. But look at the event.
And the tone.
Okay. Now, woman in military base waha. Uni Kroma ni more military base.
Yes.
Uni Kroma.
Yeah, more.
Do you think, say, your man military base, no? Obi wa other African country, or no woman ya fire, or money giana. Countries, so no fire, you so many G say, you do military base. No? But if not anything at all, Obama, you also know, say, they trust and believe this country. And if not anything, they trust our security. I must just tell you, to some extent. So, be German the national airline, more or less, the biggest air carrier, national, the biggest air carriers. And Delta, any United. Country, non-stop, because they must trust you. So, Obabisi Washington. Straight. From African country. Obabisi New York from African country. They must trust you.
Okay.
And to remember that trust now. Yemma that trust in Moho. Oye na dia ukabaka sakurana. Mon chinchen so. Obama what you say? Matamumremu.
I didn't see Ghana first country.
Your friend KLM first in the air. The first flight in the air to Europe from Ghana. We are always first in the air.
Well,
international cases is here. Pacho, my reference of Russia, Ukraine. Your president, your former president,
right?
And now the Danko for the last speech, 2024, the UNGA, United Nations General Assembly.
Yes.
Okay, speech be over. Eko can say any Russia bomb that hits on target on Ukrainian land affects the pocket of ordinary Ghanaian. But this is war. Ukrainians are also hitting on target on Russian bomb, Russian soil. Did he say any Ukrainian bomb that hits on target in Russia, it enriches Ghana pocket? No. So these are things. Adia Chinyana Sergey Lavrov, the world most longest serving your friend, the foreign minister, Obe accuse you Ghana because Ghana also on any fine. Also don't harshly condemn Russia.
One side.
Emra Yabe head the Security Council as chair country of the Security Council, UN Security 2022. Ghana. Israel-Palestine war. And yet the whole world will be I condemn, will be against Ghana, people, help the Sarafat to cry money seat, or African Union seat, and to condemn, and you're bad. Even look at that one, Ghana, Koka and say, Israel, Ghana supposed two-state affair. Palestine as a state Israel, because near a security council, your voice. Adechana Israeli ambassador, not even the Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. Nan insekran eko na agudwa Akufo-Addo nani said dem brana dem right na Ghana or a country beya onu betima baka chese nye two-state affair. Meanwhile ya echo these sentiments as a country Ghana with a position of international policy from 1967 Godamaya time and ya chese ye there you supported the two-state affair. For 2022
and so you're cooking the same thing.
You're cooking the same thing, no? Ono bibi nyatanya ukranka ambassador to Ghana over her. Can't you be an SNK spelling no? Won't ya no kranko SB because Israel akwajeje na Greek niama. Also ajeje ne support.
Ojeje Bosian
niama underground. Grant ni age ojeje. Now America no akokubia. Me condemn entirely say wanye. But papa Obe measure a tone of condemning United States. And now what taking what is called unilateral action.
Okay.
Entiabusian same way and Allah Faluk Al-Rahab, the international consultant, they go up on said, "Dear, okudzeto ablakwa ye no ye nsembi eni kwanse oye na ye kontompone na abraba na enso ani ebetumi de hawo titire abragana abusua medin ene Mr. Mafo ha Ras Media GH medin ubesi ya na akire yasan ahia and very late I will come live to talk about the MPP promise makra mu nyina medamu nyina se until we meet again adios.